Hello everyone, we will look at the decimal data validation now. Decimal data validation is very similar to the whole number validation. It's pretty straightforward. You would pick decimal instead of the whole number. Once you pick the decimal, you get similar choices here, between, not in between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, and less than or equal to. Now depending on the one you pick, you will see one field or two fields to enter appropriate values. Now it's pretty much the same, except the fact that now the field will accept decimal values. So let me do this for this particular cell. Let me color this. Okay, we're going to add validation here. Data validation. We will pick decimal, and here let's say we want to do decimal numbers between 1 through 5. Okay, so now let's say I put 5. Takes it because it's still a valid decimal value. I can do 2.5. It works, but 2.5 is not a whole number, so when we add whole number validation, 2.5 will not work. Let's say I do 56, not work. A value that anything that's over 5 will not work. If I do 5.1, it will not work. But if I do 4.95585, it will work. So pretty much straightforward, right? It's a decimal value within the range. And well, you know what? That's it. Feel free to go here and mess with all these options that you have. Similar to the whole number validation, as I had said. Pretty straightforward and easy. By the way, there's one more option here called ignore a blank. What this means is if you leave it blank, it'll be just fine. We'll take a look at that probably in another video. But for now, just mess with these values. Well, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next.